Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Please do be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, of course you already know what to do, girl. Drop it down below. I am so glad to answer any questions that you may have, but let's get into it. Today we're going to talk about nail health, and which oftentimes when y'all sit in my chair, I get a lot of questions on
how can I improve my nails? What can I do better for my nail health? How can I grow my nails? What can make my nails be stronger?
Just, you know, y'all are coming to me. I love the fact that y'all are confiding in me and y'all trust in me and regarding what you can do better for yourself. And so yeah, we decided to make a video about it, and here we are. When someone looks at your nails, they can tell a lot about your health, what's going on internally, if you're taking care of yourself as you should be, if you have any underlying medical conditions that you know you may not have spoken about. They can also look and see like if you're a nail biter, if your nails are thin, in which visibly poor nails can show that there is a deficiency in nutrients, vitamins. Blueberries, blackberries, grapes, those are all very high in antioxidants, which help protect the body from free radical damage, especially in your hair and your nails. While strawberries and kiwis have a high level of vitamin C helps your nails become more resilient through collagen production. Greens are very rich in iron, folate, calcium, in which when they are consumed, it allows for your nails to become stronger. And good greens that you can eat are like broccoli, spinach, kale, cucumber, collard greens. Other veggies that you can eat include tomatoes, bell peppers, carrots, sweet potatoes. Tomatoes and bell peppers are full of vitamin C as well. Sweet potatoes and carrots are high in vitamin A. Nuts and seeds are very rich in magnesium, in which lack of magnesium can cause those vertical lines that you sometimes see on people's fingers. Sunflower seeds are a really good supplement to help with this. They're magnesium packed. They also have copper, which are trace minerals, which aids in production of cartilage, which aids in production of connective tissue, aids in strengthening your nail. With that being said, the easiest and the best way to increase your nail health is to make sure that you're eating the right things and probably getting the right nutrients for your body. And then if you have any other questions or anything else that you would like me to make a video on, girl, come on, drop it. Again, please do be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.